I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stopped playing.
Hey sassy friends, welcome back to my channel. Sandra here, and I'm so excited to be back, y'all. I hope you have a coffee cup or a nice cozy tumbler and something to snack on so you can enjoy this little video. And I will have a part 2 of my weekly spread that I'm going to be posting on Friday once I finish editing that. So to start off here, I went to my go-to, which is like watercolor effects with stamping, as you guys know if you've been watching me for a while, and I wasn't really sure at first where I was going with it, but I honestly ended up really liking the effect that came out of it. It was kind of like a more like in your face sort of look to it, and I really liked it. And I just used 2 of my Tomboy watercolor markers in a darker and lighter purple, and I really love the look of it. And anything that I use in this video I will try to have linked down below for you guys, but you can always leave me a comment and ask me a question if for some reason you don't see the link, and plus I just love hearing from y'all. So, and then this stamp set that I'm using right here is actually my Chase Alpha, and I really like this alpha in general because it's very thin and easy to use, and you can layer it very easily, so it's kind of like mess up proof. And then I'm using the little bats from my Ghost Host stamp set that I released recently. I released a bunch of awesome Halloween sets. If you haven't checked them out, go to my website, thesassyclub.com, and check them out. They are so cool, and I had so much fun drawing them. And then I'm using my little Sharpie brush pen here just to create kind of like a little grassy knoll type of area there. And I just used my post-it note so that my tombstone wouldn't have a bottom, that way I could kind of create that effect. And then I'm using my brush stroke days of the week just to add those to the calendar. You don't have to necessarily put them in the boxes like I did, but I just decided to do that because I thought it would look fine that way and I would like it. So whatever suits your fancy is what you should do for you. And then I added a little bit of purple Tomboy brush to create those numbers and that effect. And then I started stamping out those bars. That is actually from my Spooky Party stamp set. It has a bunch of like typewriter text and a bunch of little blocks so that you can kind of create these little text areas, and I kind of love typewriter font in general, so it has a bunch of different things like scary movies, Halloween party, like tons of things that are great for fall and Halloween activities. So I just had to stick it in there for marking little things that I like to do in the month of October, and one of them is watching scary movies, obviously. I don't know about you guys, but I watch Hocus Pocus as like my first movie to start off October. And then I'm stamping some cobwebs from my Booders little border set that I have that has the candy corns and the cobwebs, just everything that kind of just screams October to me. So I tried to keep my monthly spread fairly simple for me just because I didn't know what else I would want to write into the boxes throughout the month. So I just wanted to kind of keep it like funky but like still kind of minimalist for me. And here I'm just adding a couple of stars with the gel pen just because I like the look of that. And then I kept the margin on my planner on the side for the monthly fairly large because I really enjoy doing quotes and calligraphy there and even stamping in that area, and I know that you guys will enjoy it just as much. If you don't know, I have a Kickstarter that is going to be going on this Saturday, so if you want to check that out, I will have links in the description box below for you guys. Also, I'm using the Slyme Alpha, or not Slyme Alpha, but the Slyme stamp set that I released also, which is one of my favorites from this month. I think it's so usable for so many things. You could even make it look like blood or whatever if you want to do like a horror kind of October planner theme. So many things you can do with it, you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm so happy to be back, and if you want to see more, come back on Friday. I will have the weekly spread for you guys. Leave me a comment down below, let me know how you guys are doing. I'd love to just comment back and see what you guys are up to and just hear from y'all and read the comments. So thanks again, you guys. Bye.